Here is a 16-inch Galaxy desk fan I bought at my local thrift store. This fan was actually going to be thrown out, so because it made a horrible noise, grinding noise, and was running very slow. All I had to do was clean it up and oil it, and it runs perfectly. This is one of the only fans I was missing out of my Lasco-made desk fans from the mid to late 80s to early 90s. I have the pedestal version, 16-inch, 9-inch Galaxy, and the 12-inch. So, yeah. But it's extremely powerful. I got it oiled, cleaned, and it works perfectly. It's in incredible condition. And I'll show you the side here. Has a bit of the neck is a little wobbly, but that's no big deal. And I'll show you the back. This is also my only Galaxy that has a handle. And we'll start it up here. Here is low. Medium. And of course, high. And off. Alright, thanks for watching.